sun and do nothing. Let's talk about life